Good evening. I am MWIC Mahawaththa. Today I am here to present the poster presentation. The title is Assessment of Mangrove Restoration Potential in the Northwestern province of Sri Lanka for Climate Change Mitigation. Climate change refers to long-term shifts in temperature and weather patterns. There are two potential approaches to combating to climate change effects. They are mitigation and adaptation. Mitigation is defined as the reduction of atmospheric greenhouse gases concentration via emission abatements and carbon sequestration. Paris Agreement is one of the institutional frameworks for climate change mitigation and adaptation. Countries' climate action plans referred to as nationally determined contributions. Sri Lanka's presented NDCs in 2016. Accordingly, the coastal and marine sector has restoration target of 10,000 hectares of mangroves as a coastal green belt with mitigation co-benefits. The identification of potential areas for mangrove restoration is important because mangrove cannot be restored where they did not previously exist. Most important physicochemical parameters were measured. Those are salinity, pH, soil organic matter content, and soil water holding capacity. Samples were collected from 4 different sites of mangrove habitats up to approximately 85 centimeters in 4 depths and replicated. 4 sampling sites were undisturbed mangrove area, abandoned shrimp farms which were under mangrove before converting to shrimp farms, naturally regenerated mangroves in abandoned shrimp farms, and mangrove restored area of abandoned shrimp farms. Abandoned lands and existing mangrove areas were identified based on visual interpretation using Google Earth Pro. Two-way ANOVA in Minitab 14 was conducted to analyze how varied among each depth in and sampling sites. There is no any significant difference in physicochemical parameters among mangrove habitats and abandoned shrimp farms where there were previously existed mangrove plants. 16 DSTs can be found in Puttlam district. Among them, 7 DSTs were selected. The mangrove existed lands, reclaimed lands to shrimp farms and salters, and abandoned lands were identified and they will be recommended to restore the mangroves. The results of this research can be used to encourage the mangrove restoration in abandoned shrimp farms. Thank you for listening.